If you're on the clubhouse, then this video is for you. If you have not seen the first part of this, the link is right up here. Do watch it. This video is going to be very informative, so please do watch it right till the end. Let's do this. Now, who all can benefit from the clubhouse? This question has been asked to me so many times. It is an excellent platform for networking with like-minded people. For instance, there are musicians who are performing on this app by singing and playing instruments and are getting a very good traction and growth, and some of them are probably even bagging some projects. There are some beautiful human beings who are hosting sessions on mental health, helping other people counterattack depression and stress. They are helping humanity. How beautiful is this? Photographers are sharing valuable tips with the enthusiasts, helping them shape their career and also clear all the doubt that they have. Motivational speakers are imparting powerful talks to the students, boosting their confidence. So if you're not on Clubhouse, you are definitely missing out on many opportunities. So when you join the Clubhouse, you will see a party hat icon next to your profile, which means you are a newcomer. And sometime you will also be able to start your own club and share your experiences with the people who have the similar interest as you have in your niche. Once you spend enough time on Clubhouse and you have moderated some sessions or hosted some rooms and followed the guideline, of course, that's when Clubhouse allows you to open your own club. While starting your own club on the Clubhouse, ensure that you choose a nice catchy name for it, because later on you will not be able to change the name. Also, if you have any spelling error, you will not be able to fix it. Probably have to get in touch with the admin team of Clubhouse, and it's a long process. So do keep this in mind. Also mention what kind of category does your club fall into, because that's how it will attract the audience of that type. It could be for photography, it can be for music, it can be for networking, but it's very important that you categorize your club. Add rules to your club. You can add up to 3 of them. Rules should be specific so that people know that there is some kind of discipline that they need to maintain when they enter your club or any session. So it's always good to have your set of rules. Look at this sample. When you start your own club, it's always good to have a couple of admins in the club, because there could be some days that you're busy and unable to run a room. So at least on that day, your friends or other admin can run a particular room or a session so that it keeps your audience engaged. I highly recommend to at least run one room or a session daily so that you keep a good hold on your audience. To schedule your room or a session, simply tap here, put a nice topic that can grab people's attention, add some good emojis relevant to the topic so it stands out. Also add an admin or a co-host that will help you moderate that session, put in your time, and you're ready to go. It is very important that you select the host club as your own club, because there are chances you may be a member of other club who may have given you admin right, and you may end up selecting those clubs. So to avoid that, select your own club from the list below. Add a nice description that tells your audience what the whole session is going to be about and what value will be they getting if they attend it. Let me give you a bonus tip. Always schedule your room at least 24 hours in advance, because that will give it a good reach and many people will know about it well in advance. Once the session begins, introduce yourself and also introduce your fellow moderator by talking elaboratively about them so that the audience knows about their credentials, and then later on you can ask them also to quickly introduce themselves to the audience and then begin the session. Now once your session begins, you will see a green badge below your name because you're the moderator. It is highly recommended that you make your co-host or the guest a moderator, because in case the app crashes and you are out of it, you have the other moderator still in there conducting the room and your session does not end abruptly. Now this is a big bonus tip, so please pay attention to this. Whenever you start a session, do not make unknown people a moderator, because they are quite capable of putting you back in the audience, which means you lose your moderatorship, and even worse, they can end your room abruptly, and that is very bad for your club reputation. Now imagine if there are 50 to 60 people in the room and somebody just comes and abruptly ends the room, you lose your club's reputation. So please beware. One power tip, which is very important. There's a lot of spamming happening on Clubhouse these days. So before you pick up or ask anybody to join you on the speaker panel, please check their profile, check their Instagram profile. This will at least give you some kind of filtering to see if the person is genuine or not. These people come on the speaker panel, they talk abusive things, embarrassing things, and they simply exit, making you feel miserable and embarrassing in front of your audience. As the session is in progress, it is always good to request your audience to join your club and tell them what are the benefits if they join your club. And it is an act of kindness to tell the audience to also follow the moderators who are helping you. This shows how caring and how kind you are towards your people. It is a good practice to tell your audience that you are following a PTR, which is pull to refresh method, which simply means that when a moderator refreshes a room and whoever is after the moderator in the speaker panel, that person speaks and then the next person and so on. Even though your club is all about sharing knowledge, teaching new skills and something of this sort, it is always good to also host a light-hearted session where people can enjoy, have fun. This will also break the monotony. Probably you can have a musical night, inviting some of your friends to sing. You can have a mimicry evening, or probably you can set up a topic saying that talk about your favorite movie scene under 60 seconds, which will also give people to talk in the audience one after the other. All these things really matter to run a club efficiently. One of the moderators should always ensure that people are not going off the topic so that other people in the room do not lose interest and leave the session. And it is very important to intervene politely to a speaker in the audience who is taking way too long, because then that way other people will not get the chance. It has to be short, sweet and simple. It is always a very good idea to call an external guest speaker to talk about a particular topic on which the person has an expertise over, so that your audience gets something new and it also gives you an edge above the other clubs. In order to be streamlined, it's always good to plan your week thoroughly with the topics and what timing they will be running, so that you do not fall short of content. I too have my very own club on the Clubhouse. It's named as Creators Knowledge Hub. 5 of my other friends help me run it efficiently and they all are excellent content creators. Please do check their work. I hope that this video has given you a complete understanding on how you can use Clubhouse efficiently by creating your own club and all the features. If you have any query, you can put in the comment in the box below, and you know that I reply to all of your comments promptly.